JC, what up? Nimbus League, what up? 203, what up? Whoa, 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 whoa. Fuck that shit, I'm going home. Yeah, saw you at the club. Yeah, you went alone. Yeah, popping them bottles. Her Patron, saying that you single but got niggas on your phone. Look, fuck that shit, I'm going home. I'm going home. Saw you at the club. Hey, you went alone. Hey, popping them bottles. Her Patron, saying that you single but got niggas on the phone. Look, fuck that shit. 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 I'm going home. I'm going home. Saw you at the club. You went alone. Popping them bottles. Her Patron, saying that you single but got niggas on your phone. Said that you was single but got niggas on your cell phone. Had the nerve to come up to me and say, come on, let's go home. I don't trust some girls cause I know that they be plotting. Real shit. Trying to fuck my vibe up while I'm trying to get my guapin'. I ain't even trippin'. In the club I'm chillin'. You could go off with your mans. You be doing shit I don't really understand. I see it in your face that I fucked up your plans. I move at a fast pace, so I really don't give a fuck. Sorry for my language, but gotta let you know what's up. If we got some real ladies in here, can you throw it up? Stay on your grizzy and don't you ever slack. Miss Independent, can I bring you back? I don't know about these other girls, they be acting whack. I said, Miss Independent, hey, can I bring you back? I don't know about these other girls, but they be acting whack. Look, fuck that shit, I'm going home. Saw you at the club, you went alone. Popping them bottles, her Patron, saying that you single but got niggas on your phone. Look, fuck that shit, I'm going home. Saw you at the club, you went alone. Popping them bottles, her Patron, saying that you single but got niggas on your phone. She tryna play you. Say what?
Fuck that shit.
Hit them niggas on the side.
Fuck that shit.
She tryna say she down to ride.
Fuck that shit.
Yo, fuck them other guys.
Fuck that shit.
She tryna play you.
Fuck that shit.
Hit up all them niggas on the side.
Fuck that shit.
Now she says she down to ride.
Fuck that shit.
Man, fuck them other guys.
Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. I'm going home. Saw you at the club. You run alone. Popping them bottles. Up Patron. Saying that you single but got niggas on your phone.